Minimize allergens while effectively cleaning floors with the Lavex Janitorial 15-inch dual-motor upright bagged vacuum cleaner. Thanks to the superior industrial HEPA filtration, this vacuum collects up to 99.97% of carbon dust and particles that are 0.3 microns or larger in size. Because it traps collected particles, your air and carpets will remain cleaner for longer. This filtration system makes it perfect for facilities where air quality has to meet stringent standards. Equipped with 2 motors, this vacuum has a high-efficiency suction motor and a powerful brush roll motor to pull in dirt and dust particles. A 3-way switch allows you to turn on just the suction motor or both motors, ensuring a thorough, more precise cleaning. Each vacuum comes with a 6-foot hose, allowing you to reach under and around furniture. This vacuum comes with a 50-foot extension cord and vacuum tools to clean various floor types, crevices, and upholstery. No matter what you need to vacuum, the Lavex Janitorial Dual Motor Vacuum is the tool that is sure to get the job done. For all your cleaning needs, be sure to check out the full line of Lavex vacuums, including backpack and upright models.